All right, Taryn, show them what ingredients we need for healthy popcorn.
We're going to need refined coconut oil and yellow popping corn.
Teaspoon of coconut oil. Okay. Okay, so we have a teaspoon of melted coconut oil. So why don't we put half a cup of kernels in that oil.
Okay.
You got half a cup of those kernels. You got half a cup? Alright, now dump it in there. Great job. Now use the teaspoon and mix it all up. Okay, so you mixed it all up?
Yep.
Okay, so the coconut oil is mixed with the kernels. Now we just have a regular lunch bag. And we're going to dump this in here, the very bottom. And then we're just going to take the top and fold it over. And stick it in the microwave, depending on your microwave. Usually takes between 2 to 3 minutes.
And we already got it heated up. Now what do we do?
Now we just dump it in the bowl.
Okay.
And fold it. Dump it in the bowl. Be careful the top can be hot where the oil was.
And in the bottom?
Yes. And you can salt it. There you go. Salt it. And that's it. Healthy microwave popcorn. It's a lot cheaper than the bags and you don't have any scary ingredients. So y'all enjoy and don't forget to sweat and smile. Thank you, Taryn.
Welcome.